Welcome to the ZSK Terminal tutorial. My name is Ada, and today I'll show you how to use EasyText. And by the way, this video is available in multiple languages, so if you need a different one, you can simply check the video description below. So now let's start. In this video, you'll learn how to add and edit text effortlessly, create a text arc for stylish designs, and also, you learn where you can turn on the frame view for better layout control. You can use the frame view if you have the premium module with the frame function. So now, let's get started. You have two options to open a design. The first option is Design Stock. I've added a link in the description below where you'll find an explanation on how to add designs to Design Stock. If you want to open a design from there, just search for your design and click the button. The other option is to open a design from the folder. Just navigate to your folder and search for your design file. Keep in mind that, in Terminal, you can only open DST and ZSK files. So, the converter is open now. Here, you can change the thread colors in your design. The exact use of the converter, well, I'll explain that in another video. You can find the link to that one in the video description below. Now, if you want to go to EasyText, just click on the EasyText button on the left side. And now, you're in EasyText. To turn on the frame view, simply click on Show Selected Frame, and then search for your frame right here. You can also enable Center in Frame, which really helps to check if your design fits properly within the frame dot. You can use this option if you have the premium module with the frame function. If you need to rotate your design inside the frame, just click here and choose the rotation degree you want. Super simple. Now, moving over to the right side, you'll see the Embroidery text field. This is where you enter the text that you want to add to your embroidery design. And right underneath that, you'll find the text settings. For each text line, you can customize the settings individually. To activate the next text line, just click on it. The green arrow will show you which line is currently selected. And here, this is where you can change the thread color. You'll see all the colors that you previously selected in the converter, so these are already matched to your design. Right below the thread color section, you can change the font type. There are 10 different fonts to choose from, so just pick the one that works best for your design. Now, about font size, you can adjust it between 8mm and 38mm. You have two options here. Either use the slider or just type in the exact size you need. Next up is line spacing. Just like with font size, you can use the slider or enter a number manually. And if you want to curve your text, you can do that as well. Here, you can adjust the alignment, but keep in mind, alignment is based on the longest text. So, for example, if you align the word coffee to the middle, nothing really changes unless there's a longer word. Under Text Position to Design, you can adjust the placement of your text and even add some spacing between the text and the design itself. Oh, and you also have the option to move things around manually. Just left-click and drag the text or the design to wherever you want it. Now, if you need details about your embroidery design, just check the information section. There, you'll see the width, height, stitch count, and how many thread colors are used in your design. And finally, let's talk about zooming and the grid. By the magnifying glass, you can zoom in or out using the slider. You can also fit the zoom to your design. And here's a handy shortcut. If you hold down Control and scroll in the workspace, you can zoom in and out easily. And if you want to enable or disable the grid, just click on the grid button. Oh, and one last thing. If your measurement unit is set to inches, the grid will have a 1-inch spacing. But if you're using millimeters or centimeters, the grid will be spaced at 1 centimeter. And that's pretty much it. So, now you know how to work with EasyText and adjust all these settings for your embroidery design. Have fun designing! To send the design to your machine, select the machine and click Send to Machine. A preview will appear. Click on Save Embroidery File and then on OK. Now you'll get a print preview if you'd like. You can print it out or click on OK. The file is now sent to your machine folder. If you have any questions, just reach out. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and well, see you in the next video. Take care, bye.